Hey, Rico.
I'll show these mates. I'm happy feet. And I'm rolling to your pump there. Ah! Oh yeah? I'm not gonna copy you, but I'm gonna roll. Hey, Hoppy, here. Wah! I missed. I'll go get it, y'all. Where'd it go? Hi, there it is. Where'd it going? Where you going, y'all? Hey, I know I went this way. Ah! Not this way. Ah, went that way. Yeah, not over. Ah, here it is, man. Alright. Wait, what the? Ah! Yeah. Oops, sorry. Ah!
Who was that sheep?
Sorry.
Oh, yes. We want Stitch.
We got a problem. A sheep hopping around and very fast. Yeah.
You must only here for that. Oh, yeah, speaking of that. This fool, his friend has made friends with Tony Mario. Alright, now we got a problem. If that sheep is gonna be a problem to me, I will show that sheep who is faster and quicker at jobs and play, and I'll show him. I'll show who's great. Stitch.
Okay.
Let's go get them.
Oh.
You idiot, Tony and the others.
Well, let's go. Come, right. Come on. Here.
Get off my back before I hurt you.
Okay.
Murder them all. Yeah. Follow me.
Yeah.
Actually, let's just go right away after them. We're gonna teach them a lesson. Watch.
Yeah.
Everyone surrender. Huh? Tony the Tiger? Everybody run. No, you won't. Wait. I'll destroy you. You're next. Plumber.
No. Oh. Ow.
And that includes you, Tony. Mario. Put a fight in it, come on. I ain't afraid of you. I ain't... Oh. Now. No, wait. Wow! Oh. It's everyone.
What about the penguin? Sorry. What about the penguin? Hey, back up, mate.
You too. Oh yeah. Let me throw you first.
Oh. What about the cowboy? Hey, that's Warty. We cannot do what?
Oh, I don't know. He doesn't hear anything. What a dummy. Come on. Let's leave him.
Yeah.
Yeah.